Hi everyone, I'm Sushmita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. For today's video, I am going to be taking you guys through all the products that I shopped from Nykaa. They recently had their hot pink sale and I wanted to stock up in a few products, try new viral products. Also, I've actually never done like a sit down video talking about all the products that I got from Nykaa. I usually end up doing shorts video, but I just wanted to sit down, share my thoughts, review the products because it's one of my guilty pleasures as well to watch such videos. So yeah, without any further ado, let's get started. Before we start with the Nykaa haul, I also got a little something from Richa Beauty. She is a creator I have been following for a while. I do admire her work a lot. This is their Lush Ink Lip Liner and I have got the shade Ochre. Usually they have worked with like brown tones, which makes perfect sense. I end up using just brown lip liners. They work with every color, even red lipstick. So I really love their sleek, smooth packaging that they have done. It is a beautiful brown color. I really like it. I see myself using this a lot. Now let's get started with Nykaa, and I have got just a few products from the luxury range, not much. So Benetint is something that has been on my wish list for a while now. So I got the Benefit Benetint over here. And they have two new launches, by the way. One is in cherry, another one is in raspberry. But because it was a new launch, उनमें एक भी कुछ भी मतलब offer नहीं चल रहा था. However, with the original shade, which is in the shade Rose, there was, I guess, 15% off. So this was for somewhere around 18 or 1900 rupees. So I got this one. I am super excited. I think blushes are something which we all love, right? And this is so popular. People love it. तो मुझे भी try करना था. Let's see how it goes. Okay, next up we got is the Cosrx Nail Advanced Mucin Serum. The reason of why I wanted to try this is because I have sensitive acne prone skin and I cannot really use all the other actives that's there in the market. Vitamin C right now irritates my skin, even niacinamide does. So I actually wanted to use something which does not irritate my skin but at the same time works for my acne marks. And जो vegan mucin अभी launch हुआ है from other brands, they don't particularly work for acne marks, blemishes or textured skin that this does. That is supposed to just hydrate your skin, but मुझे ऐसा कुछ चाहिए था which works for the other issues and skin concerns that I have. So this is how it looks like, and this is priced for 1450, but I guess obviously they had discounts and stuff going on. You'll get it for somewhere around 1000 rupees. And I am excited to try this and I hope this somehow changes my skincare regime. I also got like a mini perfume set as a freebie if you shop above 2000 or something around like that. कुछ ऑफर चालू था. This is Hawaiian Rumba, Tripping Mimosa and Vanilla Vibes. मेरे पास इसके बड़े bottles थे. I have been a fan of Plum's body mist as well. Maybelline के इतने सारे new launches आए हैं. I cannot keep up with them, of course, and so this is something that has been popular for a while now. This is the Maybelline's Super Stay Lumi Matte Foundation. This is, I think, a new launch of the shade. This is in the shade 311. मैंने कभी देखा नहीं 311. So this is supposed to be for warm skin, and थोड़ा सा मैंने swatch करके देखा, मुझे फिर भी गड़बड़ लग रहा है with the Maybelline. I don't know, I never find Maybelline foundation to be the best suitable match for my skin for some reason, but I will have to do like an in-depth video about this to understand the product and share my thoughts. इसके साथ again a very popular viral product is the Maybelline Vinyl Ink Lipstick. And I got this in the shade Witty. मेरे पास इतने सारे lipsticks है, but I didn't had something which is a little more into the mauve variant, and I was craving something as such. So this is the one. Shall I do a swatch? Wait a minute. So this is how it looks like. I do need to fall in love with the product because I'm really comfortable with my browns and my nudes, but I did wanted to try something from this. And I got a new loose powder. This is from Nykaa. This is their Matte to Last loose powder, and I got the Banana 03 variant. So it comes with a puff, of course. मुझे actually K Beauty का product चाहिए था, but मुझे उसमें कुछ sale ही नहीं दिखा. पता नहीं if I was late to check it out or what happened exactly, but it was especially like the shade that I wanted. I wanted the banana variant. It was for somewhere around 750. ये मुझे 550 या 500 में मिला. This is a better one, and even this is something that's loved by people, and I'm excited to try this one out. This is like a packed one. I haven't tried it, but very excited to try. Indian brands की अगर बात की जाए, this is one of the brand that has been again a talk of the town. This is Faye Beauty and I got their mini gloss trio. And मेरे Kiro Beauty के lip glosses actually खत्म हो चुके थे. I have used them a lot and I am a very big fan of Kiro Beauty. This is like very Ori inspired names. It's called Living, Giving and Emerging. So these are the three colors. It's got a pink, a brown and like a clear gloss, I believe. Another viral product in the market has been the L'Oreal setting spray. This is the 3-second setting mist. This is supposed to be the aerosol one, and I actually really loved the Urban Decay setting spray, and that really locks your makeup, and even tinted is good. It gives you a good it makes your makeup look really good. I have really high hopes in this because people are really liking it. I would want to put this one to the test. Then I got 2 lip products from Mars Cosmetics. This is the Lip Drip Lip Mist from Mars Cosmetics and I got this in the shade Cocoa Drip and I have used this. I have used this product because ये मैंने जब sale start हुआ था तभी खरीद लिया था. It's a beautiful formula shade, everything. I get shocked every time Mars come up with their lip products. Can you see that? I love it. I love the glossy effect that it gives me, and I'm definitely going to try more from this range in particular. Then I got a lip oil from Mars. This is their Peachy Dew. I got the orange one क्योंकि बाकी सारे out of stock थे, and I just wanted like a very light sheer pH lip oil. सारे pH lip oils actually मेरे को same ही लगते हैं. It is pretty much the same. It's just that थोड़ा बहुत उसकी intensity and formula में changes होता है. अभी तो नहीं समझेगा. Even if I do like a hand swatch, I don't want to waste it. नहीं समझेगा on my hands, but एक बार swatch करके देखा है, it looks good on my lips. Then I got a few products from our favorite affordable brand, which is Inside Cosmetics. They have the new launch, which is the Air-Based Concealer from Inside, and what attracted me towards the product is the packaging. ये बहुत similar लगता है to the Maybelline's Age Divine Concealer. It was actually a very blind buy for me. कुछ ही नहीं समझ आया कि क्या लूँ, and उनके पुराने shades, this, the name and all, everything was different, so I blindly bought. This is in the shade 4 Tan Beige. इसके साथ again they had like a 10% off if you buy above 2 products and such. मुझे ये product ना, this is a pore minimizing primer. I used to be very shocked when people used to compare this with the Porefessional by Benefit. That is so expensive, and it's like, it's an OG product, so they were comparing that with this. So I was very curious to try this one out. It's a smaller version that I got because I'm not sure of how it's gonna work for me, but ऐसी मस्ती में ले लिया ये वाला. I also got 2 nail paints from them. This one is a grey color. एक minute. This is the grey color. This one is like a burgundy color. I really like this one. Also I got the Dip and Twist nail paint remover from Blue Heaven, and honestly सारे nail paint removers same काम करते हैं, ठीक है. I love again the Zudio के जो dip वाला nail paint remover है. It's very good. I really like it. I think after you switch to these dip nail paint removers, you don't want to go back to the liquid ones. I think this is so easy on the go. Just dip it inside, like just swirl it a little bit and you're done. Okay, I'm done with the makeup. I have a few more other skincare, body care, hair care left. So in no particular order, let's just start. This is the Plum Body Loving Deodorant. This is like the roll-on one, yeah. Vanilla Vibes and Hawaiian Roomba. These are the 2 fragrances that they have in this one. So I got this. It also has like a lactic acid and glycolic acid. That's great. Then I got 2 perfumes from Bella Vita. मुझे कुछ ऐसा चाहिए था that I can just carry it around for like everyday purpose. I want to just like reapply my perfume. I don't want to carry something that's big and bulky. This is in the Sky variant. It's been a while I tried an aquatic and like a men's perfume. I was a very big fan of that. And after that, पता नहीं vanilla का कैसे नशा चढ़ गया. You pick up a men's perfume, you sniff it, आपको कैसे खुशबू आएगी? This is exactly that. I can't explain. I don't know the notes, but I like it. I like this one. Another one is the Date variant. This is supposed to be date appropriate, and people love this one. पता नहीं यार, पता नहीं, खुशबू ही नहीं आ रही है. It's not long lasting तो छोड़ दो. It's just disappearing into the air. Then in terms of skincare, I also got a new moisturizer. This is the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and this is written it's supposed to be for dry and very dry skin. However, hear me out. I knew what I was picking up, but मैंने जब इनका sample try किया था जो नायका ने दिया था मुझे, this is like a so smart way of marketing. It's supposed to be for dry skin, but it just gives you a mattifying skin. I was so surprised that I thought dry skin होगा तो it's going to be very greasy and oily, but I was very surprised with the formula. Then I also got the Simple face wash. Again, this is gentle on the skin. I have used a moisturizer from Simple before. Really brilliant product, and again, doesn't have anything in it. It does not have any active ingredients. It's very simple as the name suggests, and yeah, so that's the reason I got this. Simple is the one that I got from Myntra, I guess, right? Yeah. तो तब मैंने ये भी पिकअप किया. This one is so popular, the Foxtail purple face mask. You have heard about that, right? थोड़ा scam हो गया मेरे साथ. Okay, scam in the sense मुझे mini दिखा and I was like, let's try mini, because as I said, with skincare products, I'm actually scared to use new products as such. ये इतना छोटा निकल आया. I had no clue that this is such a small one. Yeah, see? This is how it looks like. This is supposed to help with detanning and everything as such. I'm gonna give it a try. If I like it, and if I see that it works for my skin, I'm probably gonna get a bigger version of this. Then थोड़े hair care products है. ये मैंने start कर दिए use करना. This is the L'Oreal Purifying Shampoo. This is supposed to be for like an oily scalp. It has salicylic acid and hyaluronic acid in it. Because it's a L'Oreal, I thought maybe it'll be good. I still have to maybe give it a go and understand if I like the product or not. Hair care में एक और product मैंने लिया. This is the Dove 10-in-1 Repair Treatment Mask. मैंने इनके product पहले try किए हैं. I have tried the hair mask. I think यही वाला version मेरे पास था. The brand had sent it to me last time, and मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था सच में. I used to love how my hair just felt so smooth, and I stopped using conditioner after that. I don't use conditioner any which ways, but I make an exception कि after my like shampoo, I will use a hair mask so that it just smoothens out my hair, and जो थोड़े से frizzy hairs हो जाते हैं, baby hairs जो है उसको, it just tames them a little bit. So I like how my hair looks after using this product. और body care में ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है. This is, I got the Sanfi Glade Body Razor. Something new I wanted to try. This are like a pack of 5. I keep on trying new brands for that, so this is something that I got. It fell. Then I also got the Sugar Pop Salicylic Acid Body Wash. Again, started using this. I am in love with the fragrance of this product. This smells heavenly. It's exactly like you walk down to a barista and you see like a hot cup of coffee brewing up. This is exactly that. I'm not sure of how much is the salicylic in it is going to work for the body acne, but I absolutely love the fragrance. इसके अलावा I got a few samples. This is the Lakme sunscreen sample. This is the Sun Expert one. This is a bougie one. This is the clay sunscreen. It's a sample again. I've got the Simple moisturizer. This is the one I was telling that is my favorite. This is the Hydrating Light Moisturizer. I also got the Minimalist ka sunscreen. This is again a sample. This is again the Nivea's sample moisturizer, and this is the Nivea's oil control serum. Okay, and that's it. I really hope you guys liked it. This was really fun for me to shoot as well. I really loved jabbing and talking about all the products, and I will definitely be making longer videos while trying out the products, and I'm super excited for that. And if you want to watch those coming up as well, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel for that. Do let me know your thoughts down below in the comments, and yeah, I'll see you very soon.